Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to disable the text message notifications on your Redmi Note 14. So I'm using the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus, but the same steps should apply for the other Redmi Note 14 phones. Now let's say if you want to remove all the text message notifications or disable them, all you have to do is open the settings, and then within the settings, scroll down and select notifications and status bar. Tap on it. And then within the notification settings, simply select app notifications and then scroll down and find the messages application. Now, if you'd like to disable the notifications, simply tap on the toggle switch icon and you will no longer receive message notifications for your messages app. So that's basically it on how to disable the text message notifications on your Redmi Note 14. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.